Hello everyone and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are standing in my bedroom and I have completely cleared out the space of all decor, and now I'm going to just go in and wipe down all of the surfaces, the tops, and then also the mirrors and the windows. I'm going to do some light dusting, and then we're going to see how the space looks. I always like to, before I start decorating for the season, to just clear everything out, let the space just be quiet, and then decide on what I'm going to be doing for the season. And because this is fall, I definitely want to add in some warm and cozy elements, but I definitely want to just make sure that the space is nice and clean. So that's why we're going to, wipe down the surfaces and everything before we get started. And then I'm also considering swapping out the curtains to see if I want to change them to like a darker color. In the living room for the fall, I usually put up my black curtains. Well, I did last year. And I'm thinking I might borrow those curtains from the living room, which we didn't put up this fall. Try them out up here and see how I like them. But I might do that at the very end after I have everything all together, and then I can see how it looks. So we're just gonna wipe down the surface, and then we're gonna start thinking about what we're going to fill the space with. I'm so excited for this time of year. I hope that you guys are, and if you like my vibe, you like the way that I decorate, make sure that you leave me a home emoji in the comment section. It just lets me know that you are enjoying my vibe, and it also lets YouTube know that you enjoy my content. So thanks so much. I really do look forward to seeing all of the home emojis in the comment section. So let's get going. I absolutely love the way that all the leaves look like through the window at this point. All the color changes. I just absolutely love fall and everything that it has to bring, with the crisp, cool weather and the beautiful colors that nature is offering. So in my area in New York, we have been having very mild temperatures. We've been in the 80s for the past week or so, which is unbelievable for this late in October. It seems a little scary. I don't know if we're going to have a mild winter or if this is just the prelude to severe weather, but we're going to enjoy it now while we can. So today I have all of the windows open, letting fresh air into the room while we, clean the space and prepare to decorate. So in this room, I didn't buy anything new, especially for decorating for this season. I actually wanted to keep the blue coverlet that we had added in the summer and just add in some other textures. So that's what I'm doing now. The bottom blanket I purchased last fall from IKEA. As you guys remembered from the summer refresh that we did, we used the blue coverlet that we had found at HomeSense. And then we're just adding back in this large comforter, which we purchased last fall. And I absolutely love how plump and how it just makes the bed so inviting.
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
So I was looking for the perfect accent pillow and I went downstairs and I found this. This is an old Ralph Lauren pillow that we've had and I absolutely love it. I love how it ties in all of the warm and cozy colors that I wanted to add into the room for the season. Then I just went and I just adorned the top of this dresser with a lot of my warm cream colors, and we just set the stage there. Then we wanted to move over to the radiator cover and just add in some beautiful books and warm and cozy textures to just make the space look very inviting and fitting for the season. So to my little sitting nook over here, I just added in a black and white throw that we had purchased from IKEA last year, a faux leather pillow cover that we purchased from Amazon several years ago. We're lighting a beautiful citrus candle and we're just going to enjoy this space. We're going to add in a wooden tray with a candle to the bed to just add a little more cozy feeling there. And then we're just going to add in one picture frame that I had purchased several months ago. I was just waiting to add it into the space and I decided to just add it on top of one of the dressers in the smaller portion of the bedroom. So I just wanted to add this little picture here to just adorn the top of this dresser. I love it. Several months ago, I added in this little box which houses all of our electronic devices. So I just wanted to accent this little slim dresser, and I think that this little sketch is absolutely beautiful. I picked it up at HomeSense back in the summertime. So on this day, I was just using this little side table with my computer, and I'm just working here. And I just wanted to show like how cozy of a little spot that I'm able to just nestle in. I don't have to sit at an actual desk. I can just use this little side table and it works wonders. So I hope that you guys really enjoyed this little refresh that we've been doing in our space for the season. So instead of the black curtains, I just added up these floral curtains that I had purchased last year. I was going to use them as the shower curtain for our bathroom, but I decided to just pop them up here to see how they look. So leave me a comment down below and let me know if you like this print and how it warms up the space. So thank you so much for joining me today. I just really enjoy being able to refresh my home and share it with you. I hope that this finds you well and that it offers some inspiration. So until the next time, have a blessed day.